In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on Permission Manager. Now click on one of your device's features that you wish to manage and click on one of your apps. Following that, apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Location access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I tap and go back, I can see that calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature. Pick an app that you wish to manage and instead of selecting one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!